Let's divide 202 by 2. Hey math adventurers, if you're having fun learning long division, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math videos. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We look at the first digit of 202, which is 2. We're going to use this digit for our first step. How many times does 2 fit into 2? It fits exactly 1 time. Let's check 1 times 2 is 2. That matches our digit. Now we subtract 2 minus 2 equals 0. No remainder here. Great job, you've got the first part done. We'll now move to the next digit in 202. Get ready. Next up, we're looking at the second digit of 202, which is 0. We bring down the 0 to join our previous remainder of 0. Now we have 0. How many times does 2 fit into 0? It fits 0 times. Let's see, 0 times 2 is 0. Perfect. Subtracting 0 from 0 gives us 0. We're still on a roll. You're doing amazing. Keep that focus. One more digit to go. Let's finish strong. Last step, we bring down the final digit of 202, which is 2. We combine our remainder 0 with the digit 2, making it 2. How many times does 2 go into 2? You guessed it, 1 time. Check our work. 1 times 2 equals 2. Exactly right. Subtracting 2 from 2 leaves us with 0. We have no remainder. Woohoo, you nailed it. That's the end of our division. We've successfully divided 202 by 2. Look at what you've accomplished. So the answer to 202 divided by 2 is 101. We just conquered dividing 202 by 2. Remember, breaking it down step by step makes even the biggest numbers friendly. Keep practicing and you'll be a long division superstar. That's all for today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and don't forget to check out more fun math adventures on Let's Stud. Bye for now.